Hi there, Dr. Cary, your Q here. I'm a chiropractor in Kelowna, and today I'm going over hamstring stretches and why the hamstring muscle can be tight. So often when people come in and they have hip misalignment, so their pelvis is out of alignment and the spine is out of place, it can cause compensation in the musculature. So when we have misalignments in the hips, then the muscles attach into the hips, and on one side the muscles are going to shorten and the other side they're going to stretch to accommodate for the position of the bones. And this includes the hamstring muscle right here because it attaches into the bottom part of the hip bone called the ischium. Now this can result in tight muscles in the hamstring, but it can also cause pain because the nerves come out of the lower part of the lumbar spine and the tailbone, the sacrum. This big nerve, the sciatic, goes right from that area down through the hamstring area and right to the foot. So if you have a pinched nerve, it can cause pain in the low back and the hip, but also refer down the leg, something called sciatica. Now, as the treatments progress in the clinic, I like to give my patients stretches to do. And these stretches are very easy, very simple. I usually give them 1 or 2 to start with and tell them to do it 8 to 10 times in the morning and 8 to 10 times before bed. Daily, and then I'll follow up and assess the alignment and how the treatments are going to balance their hips and realign the spine. So for this one, it's a standing one-legged hamstring stretch, and you bend slightly forward from your hips as you flex one heel on a stack of books, a stool, or a curb. Here she's using a yoga block just to put her heel on, and then she's slightly flexing at the hips forward with their arms up overhead. That'll stretch the back part of the leg, the hamstring, on the right leg in this case. The next one is a towel hamstring stretch. Keep your back straight and your shoulders down and away from your ears as you gently pull on the towel. The goal here is to lift the leg up slightly and pull on the hamstring, not so much to stretch the calf muscle for this one, but pulling the leg up with the towel around it can stretch that hamstring and give it a nice gentle stretch. This one, the simple hamstring stretch, is when you bend forward from your waist as far as possible with keeping your legs straight, and that just stretches both hamstrings at the same time. You should feel some pulling and stretching, but not any sharp pain or any type of muscle spasm. And then the last one is this standing hamstring stretch. A variation of it is to put one leg crossed over the other. It'll stretch the back leg more so than the front leg. Keep your both feet flat on the ground and both your knees straight, and then gently fold into the stretch. You can breathe out as you fold forward, just get the air out of the lungs. It'll just help the stretch. And then as you stand up, you can breathe in again. And I would just hold this for 1 to 2 seconds and do this 8 to 10 times. So there are some very good hamstring stretches courtesy of Very Well Health. These are easy to do. Again, check with your health professional before you start these exercises. If you're a patient of mine in the clinic, you can check with me at the next visit, and I'll see you soon.